Hey Pyros, it's Wolfband Snaps, and I want to welcome you back to Full Moon Fireworks. Today, I'm sharing with you dubs from Sky King Fireworks. Boy, this thing fills the sky with all kinds of effects, from color pearls to brocade crowns to all kinds of crackle-lackle. And let me tell you, those colors are vivid. It does not disappoint. Check it out for yourself, and you let me know what you think about all that in the comments. Like and subscribe, and remember, Pyros, be a light in the dark.
Duh.